In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the best Squarespace template, what really matters. Start by heading to squarespace.com. From the homepage, look for the Templates section and open the Website Templates gallery. This is where you can explore everything without committing to anything. Once you're in the gallery, open the Type filter. This is your fastest way to narrow options to layouts built for the kind of site you want, rather than getting lost in endless scrolling. A great shortcut here is Best Template Matches. Click that to see a curated shortlist that fits your selections. It's perfect if you're not sure where to begin and want high-confidence options right away. Now, let's explore by use case. Choose Online Store under Type to see templates designed for e-commerce. Notice how product grids, promo sections, and checkout-focused layouts surface to the top. As you browse, pay attention to how the homepage introduces products, how collections are organized, and whether the spacing and typography match your brand's feel. Return to popular designs to keep things broad, then switch to Portfolio. These templates emphasize galleries, project pages, and clean navigation. If you're a creative, look for grid styles, hover interactions, and how project detail pages handle text and images together. Back in popular designs, try memberships. These highlight gated content and member areas. Consider how plans are presented and whether the layout makes it easy to explain benefits. Then switch to blog. Here, the key is readability, post lists, featured sections, and category navigation. Check how posts look in both list and single post views. Next, open scheduling. These templates make booking the star, with clear call-to-action buttons and section blocks that point users to your calendar. If you run appointments or classes, clarity beats flair. Return to popular designs and explore one page. These are ideal for simple launches or focused campaigns. You'll see long scroll sections, hero, features, testimonials, contact, organized in a single flow. Then try courses to see layouts that support lessons, modules, and structured content. Finally, select services for businesses that need pricing, process, and testimonials presented in a clear sequence. As you move between popular designs and different types, you're learning what layout patterns best support your content. Remember, on modern Squarespace, most templates share the same core features. You're primarily choosing structure, section styles, and how the homepage flows. Pick the one that makes your content easiest to understand and your call to action impossible to miss. When you find a layout that fits your content with minimal changes, that's your best template.